Belt-in-oil drive systems are used by various vehicle manufacturers to help with fuel and emission reductions. We need to ensure the vehicle manufacturers' service intervals for these vehicles are followed and the engine oil and oil filter are replaced due to the belt operating within an oil environment. The condition of the back of the belt can be viewed through the engine oil filler cap opening. Generally, if the back of the belt is smooth and black in appearance without signs of cracking, the belt is in good condition. If cracks are visible, further investigation will be required. If the back of the belt has a rough texture effect and cracks, the back of the belt and teeth have started to deteriorate, causing separation of the belt coating. The belt may also swell. If the belt swells, this can cause binding within the drive system. Oil contamination is the general cause. Particles of the belt will now be circulating within the oil supply system. The engine oil will need to be drained and replaced, and the crankcase cover should be removed to check if the oil pump strainer is blocked. If rubber belt debris and contamination are present, the oil pump, belt and drive system should be replaced. Additionally, the vacuum pump, variable valve timing solenoids and turbo oil supply pipes should also be checked for belt debris and contamination. Contaminated components should either be cleaned or preferably replaced.